Love them or hate them, no modern browser is complete without tab support, and Google's AI mode is no exception either. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Google has started rolling out an update to users in the US that makes the tool better at interacting and understanding tabs. To start, the next time you use AI mode on Chrome for desktop and click on a link, the chatbot will open a new side-by-side interface that allows you to both browse the new web page and ask questions on AI mode. The connection allows the chatbot to understand the context of the search that brought you to the website in the first place. For instance, say you're looking for a new coffee maker to buy for your apartment. After AI mode finds a handful of different models for you to compare, you can click on one to go to the manufacturer's website and ask additional questions of the chatbot, like, how easy is this to clean? Thanks to the expanded context window, you don't need to refer to the specific name of the model. Meanwhile, if you already have an existing tab or group of tabs that you like AI mode to join into a new search, you can do that too. From the redesigned plus menu, just click the new option and that's there. While you're in the plus menu, you can also prompt AI mode to consider other materials, including images and PDFs, alongside any relevant tabs. Google says while testing, users were switching less tabs and it made it easier to focus. Mike Torres, vice president of product for Chrome, said the new features represent Google's effort to bring practical AI capabilities to its web browser. And this one has just hit home. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.